guys, and today I have this Smithsonian rocket that I wanted to show you, and we're going to launch it as high as we can. Okay, so the materials are the space, the wings, the fuselage, the launch plug, and this isn't included, but it's a funnel. And this is going to be a launch tube, and these two other materials we need are baking soda and vinegar. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to attach the wings to the fuselage. Okay, like that. And you're going to plug in the launch plug with the base. And you're going to put your launch tube on top of it, and then you're going to use your funnel, and you're going to then you're going to add your baking soda. And there we go. And we're going to fill it up about to max. And so, yeah. Okay. Probably like this much. Go. Okay. Okay, so I have it a little bit over max, so I'm just going to quit this. So we're going to take this apart for a little bit so we can pour it in, and we're going to use our funnel again, and we're going to just pour it in. Okay. So my little spill caused a little bit of a chemical reaction already, and so let's just continue pouring this thing. Okay, it's all right. Rock it back together, and we're going to have to put this thing together outside, so follow me. Okay, so what happened there was that the carbon dioxide got pushed out by the baking soda and vinegar, and the baking soda and vinegar had a chemical reaction, and it launched our rocket just 2 feet high. Stephanie here. Subscribe for more amazing science experiments, and see you in the next amazing episode.